Okay, real quick, I am sitting here on a set of shelves from VEVOR. Obviously, I am in storage. We're going to set them up and see how they work. Well, I cut to the time lapse. I'm going to talk to you about them, and then at the end, I'll show you them installed and give you my review. So these are really cool shelves. You can either have them 5 tall, each shelf holding 400 pounds for a total of 2,000 pounds, or you can actually split them up. It's adjustable. The setup is super easy. The metal is this cool powder-coated black. Looks like it's going to be nice and durable. All right, you've seen me assemble it. How about we go use it? Okay, so I've completed the construction. The construction is super easy, super flexible. If you look at this, you'll see Nikki and I have chosen here and down at the bottom to be able to put real big boxes, smaller boxes here and here, and then we can put more big boxes on the top if we wanted to. That's our style. That's what we find works for us. My only recommendation to you is, wow, the mallet, which is really cool that it comes with it, is absolutely effective. This mallet is much more effective and a little easier to work with. That is the only tool you need other than a knife to open up the box itself. Outside of that, super cool. I really like the powder coat. Like, I know I said that earlier in the introduction. I love the powder coat, not only because powder coat is more durable, but I also really appreciate the matte black finish instead of that shiny black painted look. I think it looks great. It is great, really freaking solid. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking to improve your storage skills, which obviously we're doing here, this is going to be really good.